the best 2 years. I would recommend it to everyone who's going to give CLAT and AILET next year. You should enroll here. If you're here, you 50% of your success के chances are already there. So the best place.
Welcome, Vidisha.
Thank you so much.
Long time,
Yes.
2 years,
Yes.
All India rank 10. All India rank 10, right? How does it feel?
So difficult to digest, but it's a sense of relief and I feel great.
I'm sure it's more than sense of relief. हाँ? नींद आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है?
3 दिन से नहीं आई.
नहीं आई है ना? Every morning when you wake up, All India rank 10. This is what is there in your
Yes.
head all the time. You know? So, a very well deserved success,
Thank you
Vidisha.
so
तुमको I have seen study. और बहुत closely मैं देखा हूँ. I've seen the bad times. I've seen the super good times. ये जो transition था, that is so commendable. I am so proud of you. And इतना मेहनत की हो, नहीं होता तो अफसोस होता. अंतिम में तो we all leave it up to destiny.
Yes, sir.
पर नहीं होता तो अफसोस होता. और कैसे नहीं होता? हमारे केस में I can tell you होना ही था, right? कुछ लोग अपना तकदीर लिखता है. I think you are one of them.
So I'm Vidisha Singh. I'm from DPS Noida. I had humanities in class 12. My father is a lawyer and my mother is a doctor. I've secured All India rank 10 in AILET and I'll be securing a seat in NLU Delhi.
Great, Vidisha. So good to hear this, isn't it? I'm sure बोलने में तो और अच्छा लग रहा होगा.
Sir, I genuinely wanted to be one. I think seeing my father as a lawyer did help, but I think it was also the fact that I was always someone who wanted to articulate her thoughts and express through speaking, and I feel like lawyers do that by helping other people, so I think that was a huge case. Also, when I had to choose my stream, it was not a big confusion for me. I wanted humanities, I wanted subjects like economics and pol science, and I thought that law was a good career to consolidate all of them together, so hence law.
Last time कितना rank आया था?
Sir, I had a rank around 6,000, 5,000. And
So 6,000 in the month of May. What? अच्छा, December में
that was
6,000
also
rank, right?
December.
6,000 in December and 10 in next December. So वो जो travel था, वो 6,000 से 10 का था. So people who are getting a rank around 6,000, 7,000. So you are a complete example for them कि कुछ भी किया जा सकता है.
Definitely.
6,000 से घबराना नहीं है. अगर तुमको लगता है, I remember it was so difficult for all of us to take a call कि gap year लेना चाहिए कि नहीं लेना चाहिए.
Yes.
And eventually it was your determination and the confidence in you. And जिस तरीके से the desperation you had कि मुझे पढ़ना बैंगलोर और दिल्ली में है, I think that compelled all of us to take a call कि नहीं, this is doable, and then you traveled from 6,000 to 10, which is a bit unusual.
Yes.
इतना लंबा stretch करने में कितना effort लगा होगा वो हम समझ सकते हैं, right? Because it's not a very easy decision, right? When all your friends are joining colleges and then you are taking a gap year and तुमको नहीं पता है कि अगले साल क्या होगा.
Yes.
इतना विल पावर स्ट्रॉन्ग कैसे है, इतना लंबा डिसीजन लिया, हाउ एग्जैक्टली एंड व्हाट वाज द मोटिवेशन फैक्टर बिहाइंड इट?
Sir, I think when I gave the 2024 paper, I thought that this was not it. I could have joined a college, but I felt like I would not be doing justice to myself. I feel like that paper was not for me. I feel like ऐसे मुझे अपना कॉलेज की जर्नी नहीं शुरू करनी थी. Telling everyone that yes, I had a 4-digit rank. That was not something that I would have ever been able, I would have been kind of embarrassed by that my whole life. And I felt like one chance I should give myself, एक और साल I should give myself. And I think time, hard work and dedication can change a lot in a year. That is very, very important. I think everyone has to realize that maybe today is not your day, but doesn't mean that tomorrow won't be.
Not easy. So Vidisha, I'll confess something to you. Last time जब तुम्हारा 6,000 grant था, still you were with me. And so I'll tell you an incident. I went to DPS Noida for my son's admission. And then the moment I entered the school, the first thing I saw was a huge board of yours, wherein the school was congratulating you. Trust me, Vidisha, the first thing what came to my mind, it was not that Vidisha failed. I thought I failed. एक लड़की जो डिजर्व करती थी, possibly school was successfully, they were successful in delivering what your potential was. But मुझे लगा कि it's not her failure. I think I have failed क्योंकि 6,000 वाला तो वो बच्चा नहीं है. So मेरे अंदर में उस वक्त ही बहुत क्लियर था कि I have to do whatever it takes. But she has to reach where she is destined. I didn't know तुम 10 आ जाओगी, 12 आओगी, 15 आओगी, क्योंकि 10 आना तो सब ऊपर वाले के हाथ में होता है. You cannot work hard and come down. There are so many factors which comes in. But दिमाग में था कि नहीं, इस बच्चे को उस जगह पहुंचाना है जहाँ पे इसको होना चाहिए. So that was, of course, it's a long journey.
Yes.
I'm so happy and so proud. So Vidisha, जब ड्रॉप लिया, when exactly did you take a fresh start? Say दिसंबर में रिजल्ट आया होगा, ठीक है. उसके बाद कुछ दिन evaluate, you must have evaluated for a couple of days that what exactly to be done,
Yes.
to take a drop, to not take a drop. So when is the right time? Because now at the moment there are many people who are evaluating this.
Yes.
And many people, I got a message today in morning that there's a girl who's saying I've got a 833 rank, I'm not comfortable going to Patiala. I think I'm not meant for this. So I need to write the exam again. So when she should get serious about, so that she starts the preparation full-fledged, and what exactly happened with you?
So I had my boards till 22nd of March, and I think I took like a week or two ka gap, and then I gave private law exams, and I knew that I'm just giving it for the experience. I will not be taking admission this year. And I think by the mid-April, my mother contacted you that when should she start, and you were like kal se. So I was like, okay. Well, I am ready. I was ready. And boards ke baad I was like, okay, I have to. Boards went really well for me personally. And I was like, okay, if I can do it here, let's do it in CLAT ek aur baar. So I think a right time for a dropper to start their journey again is 7 to 8 months before the exam, because that's when they're done with boards. And I think they should take a week or two ka rest and they should get started and not pressurize themselves.
See, most of the questions I would like to ask you would be in consonance with the previous paper, because that's a paper where it didn't go well. This year, the paper went well. So everyone who is listening to it has to evaluate कि क्या changes होता है जब एक पेपर अच्छा नहीं जाता है और एक पेपर अच्छा जाता है, so that these mistakes they don't.
Yes.
Because this is the purpose of conducting this interview, so that people should learn कि what exactly and how exactly to move ahead. So when you saw the paper last year and the mental frame you had during the paper, those 2 hours last year and this year, what was the difference in your mental frame?
So I think for the first time I went with a very stressful mindset, and my time management at that time was not good. You already know that. I was very slow last year with regard to mocks. When I went last year, my GK got finished. I took 25 minutes in my GK, so you already know how the rest of my paper would be going. I used to start with GK at that time, and then I moved on to English, where I took a lot of time, and then by the time I was at legal, I think like 1 hour 20 minutes had gone, and I still had like 2 very important sections left, and maths takes a lot of time. So I knew that okay, this I don't think I would be able to. I was actually really panicking throughout the whole exam, and I still kept a smile on my face because my parents were outside the center, and I was like, okay, theek gaya. But I knew theek nahi gaya tha. And what I did this year, sir, I changed my whole strategy. Sir, I talked to you also about it, and you were like, panic to ekdam hi nahi karna hai. When you're not panicking, half of the game is won. So I think I changed my whole strategy. I used to start from English, because I think English is a section where if you attempt it, you won't panic utna because it's an easy section compared to GK where CLAT is about to give like surprises. CLAT हर साल GK में बहुत surprise देता है but English में उतना नहीं देता है. तो आप English खोलोगे तो आपका English more or less अच्छा ही जाएगा because English वैसा ही आता है जैसे mock. So I think I opened and it went really well for me in both CLAT and ALET. And then I moved in the exact order. The difference was that I attempted one section of maths as the second, like as after English, and then the last set of maths after the whole paper. Because maths was not my strong section, so I wanted to do it in a divided time so that I can fresh my mind. So I think that helped. And my time management was much better. I got done 5 minutes prior to the time in CLAT, and in ALET I got 20 minutes prior finished. So I think
what did you do with those 20?
So I told you I had 144 attempts.
Yeah.
So I was like, let's see what I can fill. So I increased it up to 147.
You told me, but not the others. So that's why this question. Okay, great. I understood. See, I know you, Vidisha. I don't have to ask any questions to you.
Yes.
It's just that I would want others to benefit from your experience. Okay, great, Vidisha. Now, which section did you struggle the most?
So I think, maths.
Maths.
So, but I won't say I struggled as much as I did last year because I was really well equipped with the type of questions that are going to come, and I knew when I had to leave the section. So struggled in the sense, I think everyone struggles with GK, but I was weak at maths and I struggled with GK. But GK is manageable if you are consistent with it, and maths is also manageable if you're consistent, but sometimes you have to be a little bit natural with maths. So I accepted my fate. Okay, Vidisha, you're decent at maths. So if you are able to, then do it, and if you're not, then just move on. You have other sections, you'll do well in them. Sir, I would 110% recommend it to everyone. I had prepared 1 year during my 12th also. I was consistent with my newspaper. Even after I had a reading habit, I was consistent with it in my second year also. The Hindu still comes in my house, and I think I like to read the newspaper at this point. Like, I didn't used to take it as a thing, okay, उठना है तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा, नहीं, उठना है तो पढ़ने का मन है. I took it as that. I feel like newspaper is very important. A lot of passages in CLAT came from editorials this time. Like, they had a lot of answers in them, obviously. They were all editorials. Like, you could see the links and they were all editorials. So I think if you want to crack GK of CLAT, you have to be consistent with newspaper reading.
Now tell me, how many mocks did you write?
So I think around 175.
175 mocks. So everyone whom we are interviewing, if you like, sir, 120, I don't think so. कि इतना ज़्यादा किसी ने mocks लिखा है जितना यहाँ पे. So basically, it's so much of practice you guys did. Okay, great.
So a lot. Like, personally for me, a lot, because I didn't understand the answers in the answer key that well, because I didn't like the explanation first of all, and I felt it would be better if some other student who's my age is telling me that in their language. So I think it was good, and the arguing during the mock analysis was fun, and through that I was actually getting to learn, so that was also good. And I think without mock analysis you cannot crack this exam. You can check your paper, you can see what you've done wrong, but you will not be able to rectify them if you're not going to the mock analysis. So one tip, also go through your answers that are correct.
Yes. Okay, so you're saying when you analyze your mock, also go through the answers which are correct. It's not about the wrongness. I think that's an important tip. Everybody, you should definitely do that.
Yes. So the best 2 years, I would recommend it to everyone who's going to get CLAT and ALET next year. You should enroll here if you want. I would say that if you're here, 50% of your success ke chances are already there. The 50% you have to work on it. So the best place.
So we could justify whatever. Okay, great. Now, Vidisha, matlab, I'm so happy. Matlab, I met your parents yesterday. Your dad was almost on the verge of crying. So that this is very normal, and it shows the sense of pride and considering you're from Bihar and all. So I understand the temperament as well because I also belong to that place. But Vidisha, it's a very well-deserved success.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm so proud of you. मतलब this had to happen. और क्यों नहीं होता? This is what my point is. And ऐसे ही रहो, खुश रहो, मस्ती करो, and we'll keep connecting again.
Yes.
And God bless you.
Thank
Right?
you.
We'll keep in touch. And the celebrations are
Yes.
due. ठीक है? Bye Vidisha. Take care.
Thank you.
Right?